waiting is over. Put your hands together for the amazing, the incredible V! Oh no! It looks like V is too pointy to stand up. Wait, who is this? E to the rescue! He's amazing! The V needs an E to hold it up. You can't have a V at the end of words. It's too pointy. It is going to fall. But the E is using all its power to hold up the V. It makes no sound. Have. Have an E to hold up the V. Next word, please. V is beginning to fall again. Oh no! Where's an E when you need him? Amazing! The E is holding up the V. Love. I love these letters. Remember, when you have a word ending in a V, you need an E. Here are two V's together. Uh-oh, we can't have two V's together. They look too much like a W. W gets very annoyed. V, E, V, E. Where's the V? It needs an E. V, E, V, E. A V and an E and a V and an E. V, E, V, E. It's going to fall. V, V. It needs an E. A V and an E and a V and an E. A V needs an E.